In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize multiple YouTube videos in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll have a single, clear summary that pulls insights from every video you add, perfect for research, content planning, or quick study. First, open NotebookLM and sign into your account. From the home screen, look for the option to create a new notebook and click it. Give your notebook a simple, memorable name so you can find it later. You'll see a space for sources. This is where we'll bring in the videos you want summarized. Now, it's time to add your first video. In the Add Sources area, choose the option that lets you add a website or a YouTube link. Open YouTube in a separate tab, go to the video you want summarized and copy its URL from the address bar. Head back to NotebookLM, paste that YouTube link into the source field and click Insert. NotebookLM will fetch the content behind the link. Give it a moment to process. Once it's ready, you'll see the video appear as a source in your notebook. Repeat that same process for every additional video you want to include. Open each video on YouTube, copy its link, paste it into your notebook's source field, and insert it. Keep going until all the videos you care about are listed as sources. A quick tip: make sure the links point to the main watch page, and note that summaries work best when the videos have accessible transcripts. With your sources in place, move to the chat or prompt box in your notebook. Ask for a combined summary of all the videos. A clear prompt works best, such as, "Give me a combined summary of all the videos in this notebook." If you need a certain length or focus, like key takeaways, major themes, or differences between speakers, add that to your request. NotebookLM will read across each video source and generate a single, cohesive summary. If the result isn't quite what you want, refine your prompt. You can ask for a shorter or longer version, a plain language overview, or a comparison that highlights agreements and contradictions among the videos. If anything looks off, double-check that every link was added correctly and that the videos are public and available in your region. That's it. You opened NotebookLM, created a new notebook, added each YouTube link as a source, and then asked for a combined summary. Use this workflow anytime you need fast, reliable overviews across multiple videos.